This is a northern village love story you can taste.
One cake, always sold as a pair. Today we learn an ancestral recipe, exactly as the village keeps it.
Chào mừng quý khách.
No shortcuts, only the old rhythm. Every bowl had a job and a memory.
The rice must be clean, then patient.
Stone and time, still the best machine.
We keep only the silk-smooth starch.
Khi bột đã lắng, nước sẽ trong veo.
This is a natural gold.
Color, not chemicals.
Now the wrapper starts to glow.
The filling must be soft, not gritty.
Steam brings sweetness forward.
This is the texture we chase.
Sweet, but never loud.
Coconut gives the bite a gentle crunch.
A little papaya, so the wrapper stays springy.
You can almost see the village sunlight inside.
The package is part of the recipe.
Every corner must be sharp.
Two cakes, one tie.
Now the village moves like a dance.
Thin first, like a promise.
The heart goes right in the middle.
Seal it so steam can do its work. Always together.
Now, heat and patience.
This is where the cake turns clear.
Eight minutes feels like a whole generation.
Fresh is everything.
We open it like a keepsake.
Look like amber with a secret inside.
In Kinbak, this belongs to wedding trays.
Wrap with fig leaves. And
And a rice cake from Chowtown.
One village recipe down, 3 more ancestral stops to go.
Next stop, a village nem that locals guard like a secret.
In Bui village, nem is eaten with a leaf, not bread.
Chào anh, mời ngồi.
Vâng.
Tôi cảm ơn.
Every house has its own rhythm.
This smell that thính the soul of nem.
Ground just right, never sandier.
If it clumps, it's wrong.
Cook first the clean flavor, clean texture.
Dry it well so the thính can cling. Not minced, shredded for a fluffy bite.
A little crunch makes it addictive.
Now it drinks in the roasted rice aroma.
Coated, not buried. That roasted perfume hits first.
Seasoning is whisper level here.
The wrap keeps it fragrant and tidy.
Small bundles so the leaf stays crisp. Ready for the real ritual, the leaves.
Fig leaves, peppery, green, and perfect.
This is how Bui village eats it.
Roasted rice. Then a green.
Next, a rice cake steamed in leaves. Bánh tẻ làng chờ.
You can smell bánh tẻ before you see it.
Bánh tẻ nóng hổi đây.
Soft outside, savory inside.
This one is all about balance and heat.
Not too thick so the wrapper stays tender. Mộc nhĩ gives that tiny snap.
This is where the filling wakes up.
Cook it fast, keep it juicy.
Pepper, onion, mushroom. Classic King Bak comfort.
The leaf is the mold, the aroma, the wrapper.
A savory stripe down the middle. Tight wrap equals smooth cake. Steam does the finishing work.
Minutes turn batter into silk.
Warm, savory, and impossibly soft.
Pepper hits.
This is everyday food. done with extraordinary care.
This village ferments patience.
Time stretches.
Sunlight is part of the recipe.
Months pass here, quietly.
Stirring keeps it alive.
Sweet, salty, deep.
This is how villages eat it.
Nothing fancy.
Sleep.
Tomorrow, it begins again.
Villagers wake early for good reason.
Some things are meant to be paired.
Food is memory you can hold.
This was northern villages, kept alive.
If you tasted this, you'd slow down too.
Subscribe for more ancestral kitchens. A new day starts where the last one ended. Nothing is wasted here.
Phải cảm nhận bằng tay thế này, nó phải mịn như thế này.
Recipes are learned by touch.
When it feels right, it is right.
Food also carries gratitude.
Repetition builds mastery. Sunlight finishes what steam begins.
Gently now. The air must move slowly.
Even air has a technique.
Slow changes matter most.
This is everyday luxury. We cook so the village remembers us.
Hands carry history.
And starts again.
Grain, dip, steam, time.
You don't take much.
Images stay.
Some flavors too. This land cooks with patience.